Hi crafters, I'm Leila. Welcome to the world of Abracardboardra. On this channel you will learn the magic of cardboard so you too can make all of your craziest projects come true. By the way, if you haven't noticed yet, I am French and in my country we love cardboard. We love it so much in fact that we protected it with a decree in December 2021 that designated recycled cardboard fiber as a valuable resource rather than mere waste. Now, if you are like I was 10 years ago, you probably have a bunch of cardboard stacked in your recycling bins waiting for the recycling truck to collect them. Please follow my lead and start saving them. Soon you will discover how invaluable cardboard is, and trust me, in just a week or so, you will hesitate before tossing any piece of cardboard into the trash. Alongside me, you will craft decorations and pieces of furniture from cardboard. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you don't want to miss out. I also want this channel to be a space for friendly interactions. Any ideas, suggestions are welcome in the comments. And know that I will gladly study your dream projects and challenge myself to help you give them shape. So don't hesitate to send them my way. Now ready to embrace the magic of cardboard? Follow me through the workshop and let's embark on this creative adventure together. I'll see you there.